founder Mark Zuckerberg's new daughter might be the closest thing this country has to royalty, and she's about to share her fortune with the rest of the world because Dad said so. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Nealon for Buzz 60. Coming into the world at 7 pounds, 8 ounces, and $45 billion, Maxima Chan Zuckerberg. Isn't that how rich people do birth announcements? In what might be the US's most public birth announcement ever, Zuckerberg and his wife Priscilla disclosed they will be donating 99% of their $45 billion fortune to charity. In a super long letter, all posted on Facebook of course, the couple says the donation will go toward their foundation, the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative. So I guess they're kind of keeping it in the family. Since the news broke, and instead of focusing on the positive side of things, social media users do what they do best: break people down to build them up. I've decided to use your existence as the news peg for some shareable content. Mark Zuckerberg donating 99% of your personal info to charity. Jokes aside, it seems like some people are optimistic that Zuckerberg's donation could do good. Hopefully, if it does pan out, he'll never have to say, "Eat your food, there are starving kids in Africa." To support his wife, Zuckerberg plans to take 2 months paternity leave. Then he'll go back to ruling the world. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.